Hello everyone, my name is Sweetie and welcome back to my channel. Before start the video, if anyone new here, do subscribe, give a thumbs up, share the video. Now let's start. We will start from 9. So in 9, in a triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan A equal to 1 upon root 3, find the value of 1 sin A cos C plus cos A sin C, and 2 cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Let's do this one by one. So first draw a triangle. And here the B is a right angle. So B is the 90 degree. And now we have A and C. Put A and C. A and C. A and C. Now we have A and C are the acute angle. Okay. Given is tan A is 1 upon root 3. From P, B, P, H, H, B. From this rule, tan is a perpendicular by base. So now P is 1 and the base or B is root 3. We don't know the hypotenuse. So we have to find out hypotenuse by using Pythagoras theorem. So write down this by AC square, this is the hypotenuse according to angle A. Okay, according to angle A, the hypotenuse, the perpendicular and the base. So now AC is the hypotenuse, so AC square equal to perpendicular is the BC, BC square plus base is the AB, AB square. We have to find out AC square hypotenuse, so put it like this. AC square BC is the perpendicular and perpendicular is 1, and AB is our base is the root 3 square. AC square equal to 1 0 is 1, and root 3 0 is 3. Root 3 root is cancel out and we have 3, and AC square is equal to 4. AC is root 4. And the perfect square of 4 is 2. Now we have AC is 2. हम लोगों के पास बेस भी है, परपेंडिकुलर भी है, हाइपोटेनियस भी है. सो जो प्रोग्राम दिया गया है नंबर 1 एंड नंबर 2 में वो हम लोगों को निकलना है. सो इन नंबर 1 वी हैव साइन ए कॉस सी प्लस कॉस ए साइन सी. So sin A is according to angle A. Sin A, write down the rule P B P H H B. So sin is a perpendicular by hypotenuse. So according to angle A, perpendicular and the hypotenuse. Okay, the perpendicular is 1 and the hypotenuse is 2. And cos C, according to angle C, look at this, according to angle C, first cos is the base by hypotenuse, base upon hypotenuse. So according to C, the base is this, BC is the base. Okay, this is not the base, this is not the perpendicular according to angle C. Okay, so according to angle C, this is the base, so then BC is the base. So BC is 1 and base upon hypotenuse, and hypotenuse, it is the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is 2 plus cos A. Cos is the base by hypotenuse and base is the root 3 according to angle A. Okay, according to angle A, base is root 3 and hypotenuse is the same 2. Because according to angle A and according to angle C, the hypotenuse are the same. okay, because it's a one triangle and the hypotenuse will be the high side, so it's the same for both angle. And according to sine C is perpendicular by hypotenuse, and perpendicular is root 3 according to angle C, and hypotenuse is 2. Now in denominator we have 2 multiply 2 and ऊपर है 1 into 1. 1 1 0 is 1 and in denominator multiply करेंगे तो हो जाएगा 2 2 0 is 4 plus root 3 is 3 and in denominator is 4. Now LCM process 4 1 0 is 1 and 1 1 0 is 1 plus 4 4 is 1 and 1 3 0 is 3 is 3 plus 1 4 upon 4 is 1. This is the answer for first one. Okay, for number 2 the program is cos A cos cos C minus sin A into sin C. Now we have all the ratios. We have to just put down and calculate it. Cos is a base upon hypotenuse. According to angle A, base is root 3 and hypotenuse are the same 2. And according to angle C, the base is 1 and the hypotenuse 2 minus sin A. According to angle A, sin is a perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So according to angle A, perpendicular is 1 and the hypotenuse is 2 into sin C. According to angle C, the hypotenuse according to angle C, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular is root 3 and the hypotenuse is 2. Now calculate it. Root 3 into 1 is root 3. In denominator we have 2 and 2. 2 to multiply is 4 minus root 3 1 is root 3 and 2 to 0 is 4. Now see, there is a plus root 3 upon 4 and minus root 3 upon 4. It will be cancelled out with each other and now we have 0. So for number 2, the answer is 0. For number 10, in triangle PQR, right angled at Q. So Q is a 90 degree angle. PR plus QR equal to 25 centimeter and PQ is 5 centimeter. Determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. Okay, let's find out. In number 10, let's draw a triangle first. We have the triangle and Q is a right angle, so Q is 90 degree angle. The other angle is one is P and the other one is R. And now we have given, okay, let's write down the given ones. Given is PQ is 5 centimeter. So PQ, this is the PQ and it's a 5 centimeter. Okay, and PR plus QR is 25 centimeter. PR and QR it's equal to 25 centimeter. Okay, so this is the relation given. Let's do this like this. PR equal to 25 minus QR. Like this, we have the value of PQ and PR. Look at this, PQ and PR or RP. Now we have this one and this one. We don't have the RQ. So let's find out RQ by, we have PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square, and the PR is 25 minus QR. Put the value 25 minus QR and whole square equal to PQ is 5 centimeter, 5 square plus, and QR, put it like this, QR, because we have to find out QR. Look at this, A minus B whole square, A minus B whole square, this formula, and we can write it A square minus 2AB plus B square. So now 25 square minus 2 into 25 into QR plus QR square, and 5 5s is 25 plus QR square. यहाँ पे भी है प्लस QR square and इसके पार भी है प्लस QR square, so we can cancel out this one. Or 25 25s is 625 minus 25 into 2 is 50 QR 25 इक्वल टू के उस पर है प्लस 25, तो इस पर ले आएंगे तो हो जाएगा माइनस 25 इक्वल टू नथिंग 0. ओके, और माइनस 50 QR इक्वल प्लस 600 equal to 0, or minus 50 QR. We have to find out QR. Okay, so plus 600 को उस साइड ले जाएंगे, हो जाएगा minus 600, and put the QR like this, and minus minus will be cancelled out, और 600 upon 50 इस साइड है मल्टीप्लाई में, उस साइड ले आएंगे तो हो जाएगा डिवाइड में. ओके, 0 0 5 12 sir is 60. So QR is 12. Now look at this here, PR equal to 25 minus QR. Now we have the QR. Okay, so now we can find out the PR. So PR will be 25 minus QR, 25, and QR is 12, so 25 minus 12, it will be 13. Now we have all the values. We have hypotenuse, we have base, we have perpendicular. Now we have to find out sin P, cos P, and tan P. So put the rule P, B, P, H, H, B. Okay. So sin P is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So here perpendicular according to angle P, the perpendicular is 12 and the hypotenuse 13. Now cos P is base by hypotenuse. According to angle P, base is 5 and the hypotenuse is 13. Now tan P is perpendicular upon base, P upon B. The perpendicular is 12 and the base is 5. We have all the ratios. In 11, state whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. Okay, we have 5 problems and we have to justify it's true or false. Let's do this. In 11, number 1, okay, the value of 10A is always less than 1. Okay, 10 tan A एक रेशियो होता है. ओके, और उसका वैल्यू हमेशा नंबर 1 से छोटा होगा, ये बोला है. So we have to find out it's true or false. So first, let's take an example. Okay, let's draw a triangle which this is the right angle 90 degree and this is the 12 and 5 and it will be 13. ये एंगल हो सकता है. ओके, इसलिए मैं ये 12 ले रही हूँ, 5 ले रही हूँ एंड let this is the angle A, and according to angle A, because tan A, we have to find out tan A, so this is the angle A, or tan is perpendicular upon base, so according to angle A, perpendicular is 12, so 12 upon and base is 5, 12 upon 5, and it will be 2.4 something, and the value is, ये value जो है 1 से ज़्यादा है. ओके, ये value जो है 1 से ज़्यादा है. Now take another example, like now let's draw a triangle again, and now this is the right angle, and first we have find out in this angle A. Now this angle is A. Okay, and according to angle, this angle A, we have perpendicular P. This is the perpendicular, and this is the base, and we have to find out the tan. Okay, now tan A is perpendicular upon base, and now the base is 5 and the base is 12. We can see that इसका जो भी नंबर होगा वो 1 से कम ही होगा, because 12 is bigger number of 5, isn't it? So इसका जो भी है इससे ज़्यादा तो 1 ही होगा. So we can write it like this: 5 upon 12 less than 1. Okay, so it's false. Okay, so the statement is false, because हम लोग ने देखा ये 1 से ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है और 1 से कम भी हो सकता है. In number 2, sec A equal to 12 upon 5 for some value of angle A. Okay, sec A is 12 upon 5. Sec is the reciprocal of cos A. Okay, so cos is base upon hypotenuse. So sec will be hypotenuse upon base. Let's draw a right angle, and this is the right angle 90 degree, and hypotenuse, this is the hypotenuse, the longest side, it is 12, and according to angle A, this is the angle A, base is this, and this is the 5. Okay, so हम लोगों को पूछा है कि ये वैल्यू हो सकता है कि नहीं. हाँ, हो सकता है, बिल्कुल हो सकता है, because hypotenuse is the longest side. अगर hypotenuse आपका longest side है, so then ये right angle हो सकता है, and this is ये value भी हो सकता है, because अगर आप पिथागोरस थ्योरम लगाएंगे तो ये जो इसका जो value आएगा ये कम ही होगा. Okay, so it's true. The statement is true, cause hypotenuse is the longest side. Now number 3. In number 3, cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle A. No, the statement is false. We have to write the logic too. So the logic is cos is the cosine. cos का एडिब्रेशन होता है cosine, ठीक है. cosine से हम cos लिखते हैं सिंपल शॉर्ट में. So cos A is abbreviation of cosine A. Okay. एंड यहाँ पे जो दिया हुआ है कोसिकेंट, कोसिकेंट इज कोसिकेंट है कोसेक का एब्रिविएशन होता है कोसिकेंट. ओके, सो कोसेक ए इक्वल टू कोसिकेंट ए. कोसेक का एब्रिविएशन होता है कोसिकेंट एंड कॉस का एब्रिविएशन होता है कोसाइन. इन नंबर 4, cot A is the product of cot and A. Never. Cot and A is the ये बोला है कि cot and A का प्रोडक्ट यानी मल्टीपल में करेंगे तो हो जाएगा cot A. No, cot A is a single term. Okay, so the statement is false. Statement is false. Cos cot A is a single term. It's not the product of cot and A. This is the answer. In number 5, sin theta equal to 4/3 for some angle theta. So sin theta equal to 4/3 for some angle theta. According to angle theta, sin theta is 4/3. It's true or false? इसका sin theta का मान 4/3 हो सकता है कि नहीं हो सकता. So let's find out. Sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay, so let's draw a right angle, and this is the 90-degree angle. Let's assume that it's the angle theta, and according to angle theta, the hypotenuse is 4 and the perpendicular is 4. Perpendicular is 4 and the hypotenuse is 3. So in this right angle, we have the perpendicular 4 and the hypotenuse 3. It's never possible because in a right angle, hypotenuse will be the longest side. Okay, so 4 is perpendicular, 4 is greater than 3. Okay, so this triangle is not possible. So it's a false statement. The statement is false. Cos हाइपोटेनियस कभी भी छोटा नहीं होता अदर जो एंगल होता है उससे. ठीक है, तो राइट डाउन कॉस हाइपोटेनियस इज द longest side of a right angle triangle. This is why that this statement false. आज का वीडियो यही तक था. If you like the content, then please subscribe the channel, share the video, give a thumbs up, and feel free to comment below. बाय बाय. फिर मुलाकात होगी अगले वीडियो में. Stay safe and healthy.